Your phone is currently a graveyard for thousands of forgotten moments. Blurry sunsets for seats you do not need, and screenshots of memes that are not even funny anymore. Most of us just pay for extra cloud storage to house this digital clutter. But a new platform called Kled is flipping the script by offering to buy your camera roll to train artificial intelligence models. It is popping up everywhere lately. People are calling it the easiest way to make passive income in the digital age. On the surface, it looks like a brilliant deal. Most apps pay you a flat fee once, and then they own the rights. This system is designed to license your images out over and over again. This means one single photo of a tree in your backyard could potentially generate tiny bits of revenue for months. It is a much more sustainable model than the one-off payments we are used to seeing. The app itself is surprisingly robust. It manages to survive phone restarts, and it can even pull photos directly from your cloud drive without a hiccup. If an upload fails, it just retries in the background until the job is done. But here's where the excitement hits a wall. The actual pay is incredibly low. You are looking at somewhere between 1 penny and 5 cents per image. To make matters worse, you cannot cash out any of that money until your balance hits $25. That is a lot of photos. Some users have shared some pretty brutal stories about getting their accounts banned right when they were only a few cents away from that payout. It feels like a massive waste of time and effort. There is also a huge concern regarding privacy and global access. This year, the company blocked an entire country due to fraud concerns. The people living there had already submitted their government identification to verify their accounts. Now those users are locked out, and a random startup has copies of their sensitive IDs with no way for the users to get them back. That is a terrifying thought for anyone who cares about data security. Even if you do get paid, part of your earnings comes in the form of a specific digital token. This means your money is at the mercy of the volatile crypto market. If that token loses value overnight, your earnings evaporate. However, the most important detail is hidden in the legal fine print. When you click upload, you are not just granting a temporary license. Under Delaware law, this is an irrevocable sale. You are permanently handing over the rights to your images. You do not own those photos anymore. Not now, not ever. No matter what happens to your account or the company, those images belong to them for eternity. For some people, this is just found money for digital trash. If you have 10,000 photos of nothing and you do not mind the risks, it might be worth a look. But for everyone else, giving up total ownership of your personal life for a few dollars is a very steep price to pay. It is a permanent decision for a temporary payout.